Hey everyone, it's Matt at Boston Harley-Davidson with the bike of the week, 2019 Blue Max Street Glide. This particular bike, we did chrome front end, as well as a stage 1 kit, Screaming Eagle breather with the S&S thruster exhaust. With every street glide, of course, the new Milwaukee 8, the 107. And with this particular one, we did order it with the GTS system. New nav, radio setup, much faster, 100% increase in resolution. Come on down and see this baby for yourself. Again, this is the custom color. Hope to see you in here.